What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I have a dual unboxing of both the Aura Glow as well as the Aura Black Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, so stick around. So lifting the lid on the device for the very first time, we're presented with both Note 10 Pluses. We'll go ahead and place that off to the side for a minute. Next up we got a little bit of literature, as well as a SIM ejection tool, a S Pen tip remover, some very high quality AKG earbuds, a dongle for transferring data, our fast charger, our charging cable, and of course the star of the show itself, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. After removing the protective film off both the front and back of the devices, I have to say that I'm extremely impressed with the Aura Glow. However, I'm interested to see which one you guys are more interested in and like the best. Let me know down in the comment section below.